Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Agassiz, British Columbia. This small farming town is located in the eastern Fraser Valley, just north of the Fraser River and not far from Harrison Hot Springs. It sits in a wide, flat valley surrounded by mountains with rich soil that makes it a good place for agriculture. The area is known for growing corn, berries, and other crops, and it has a strong farming tradition that continues today. Agassiz was named after Louis Nun Agassiz, an early settler who came here in the 1860s. He was part of a group that hoped to start a farming community in the region. The town slowly developed over time, helped by the arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway. Today, Agassiz is a quiet and friendly place with a mix of farms, homes, and small businesses. With its mountain views and deep roots in local history, Agassiz remains an important part of the Fraser Valley. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Agassiz, British Columbia.